Hello everybody, my name is Jenica Lambert. I work for Riverbend Nature Center, and today I'm going to talk about butterflies. So just some general facts about butterflies. They are an insect. They are in the order of Lepidoptera, which just means scaly wing, and they are related to moths. They've been around for about 56 million years, and so they are been around, know what's up. So it's a couple of things about their anatomy. They have a hind wing back here and a forewing up here. They have 6 legs, again with the head, thorax, and abdomen because they are insects. They see different frequencies of light than people do, including ultraviolet. So flowers look way different to butterflies than they do to people. And also, instead of like a regular, mouth part, they have something called a proboscis, which is essentially a straw. So they will go around and suck nectar from plants, or if they need minerals, they'll drink from mud puddles or turtle tears. If you've ever been to a pond or lake and noticed a butterfly sipping on a turtle's face, that is exactly what they're doing. They are looking for salt, because, who doesn't like salt? So these guys are literally found everywhere except Antarctica. So they are highly adapted for a variety of different environments. We have several species here in Payne's Place, everything you'd be able to find in Texas, and including the one I have in my hand currently, which is a giant swallowtail. So they are beautiful creatures. Look at it, it's like a jewel. But anyway, when you, to attract these guys to your garden, you would want to plant native plants, like Turk's Cap or Lantana, things that produce a lot of nectar. You can also attract them to your garden by planting their host plants. So butterflies are host specific, meaning they will only lay their eggs on certain plants, which they can find because they taste with their feet, which is crazy. So they will only lay on certain plants, and then their young will eat the plants, and they go through something called metamorphosis. So you start off with an egg, which eventually will hatch and turn into a caterpillar, which goes through different stages. Every one of those stages, they get a little bit bigger. Those stages are called instars. And eventually they'll form something called a pupa or a chrysalis, which you'll see hanging, from a branch. And then when they are ready to go, they will emerge out as a full-grown butterfly. There is no such thing as a baby butterfly. And when they hatch out, they're crinkly and they can't fly yet. And they will actually pump fluid from their abdomen through these tiny little wing veins, which will eventually elongate and harden and enable them to fly. So if you've ever been to Riverbend during like a cold snap, you'll notice that the butterflies don't fly, and that's because they need the heat of the sun. They need at least 55 degrees in order for them to actually gain lift and be able to, do butterfly things, such as drink nectar, find a mate, migrate, do what butterflies do. So, very cool insect. Some of them are poisonous, meaning that if you were to eat it, you would get sick. So for example, the monarch butterfly will eat milkweed, which contains a glycoside. Not going to hurt you if you're a person, just maybe give you a tummy ache. But if you're a spider, it's game over, man. You're going to die. So a lot of animals will avoid eating them because they don't want to get sick. So yeah, they are fascinating creatures. Who doesn't love butterflies? Look at it, it's majestic. So follow us on Facebook for more videos. We'll get down to the specific species that we have here in Payne's Place. And thank you for joining me. Have a wonderful day.